Hey you guys, recently I dyed my hair a honey blonde, but you know, I'm not finished with the process because as you can clearly see, this is not a honey blonde. It still needs time to get there. So I will be doing a treatment mask and I will be using Shea Moisture to do that. I will be using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. Now this isn't the first time that I've used it. This is the second time that I've used it, and I've been using it to slowly bring the moisture back into my hair. Also, cold washing is another good method to use. I will be using a spray bottle so that I can put some moisture in my hair so that it'll be easier for me to distribute the product onto my hair, because it's really not easy to work on dry natural hair, especially when it's tangled like mine. As you can see, I need a TLC day. And 2 scrunchies. I will be using a plastic bag. So all I'm going to do now is just start spraying. It is wetter now, which will make it easier for me to apply my product. I'm going to start off with sections. Here's the product. Looks like clay, mud. It smells amazing. I'm just going to spread this throughout my hair as evenly as possible. And I'm not going to be shy at all with the product because we want our hair drenched in this healthy stuff. A little more, and I'm going to add it to my ends. Which also need to be trimmed, and I will be doing a video about that as well. So I'm done with that. Now it's time to move on to the next piece. And I'm just going to repeat this all over my head on this side and the other side too. Okay, so I do feel like I should spray over this again because it doesn't feel as, it's not as wet as I want it to be. So I'm just going to spray so I can get it to be wetter so I can apply this product even better. As you can see, my hair is drenched in the product. I'm just using the praying hands method to really just rub that in. And now you can see that my hair is drenched in the product. And you know what I like about this product is, look at how nice my hair looks. My curls are popping right now. Go ahead and do the other side off camera. Alright you guys, so I'm back and I have put my 2 buns in. I finished spraying the product all throughout my hair. I have put the plastic bag on my head and now I am ready to let it sit for the next 30 minutes, and I will be back to take it down and show you guys how it looks after I rinse it out so you can see the benefits of this product. So it's really wet right now, but as you can see, it looks great. It's very, 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 very moisturized. It feels so soft. It's defined. It looks great. So I highly recommend that you use this product. Clearly see how great it is if you just look at my hair. Bounce, movement. So yeah, most definitely try this product out and let me know how it worked for you.